Hi guys, so for today's recipe we need 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder and 3 tablespoons of salt. For the garam masala powder mix, we need 2 sticks of cinnamon, 1/4 of nutmeg, a tablespoon of black pepper, 8 pieces of cardamom, 8 pieces of clove, 3 bay leaves and a tablespoon of cumin seeds. 3/4 of a cup of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of tandoori masala, 3 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste, a full cup of onion paste and 3 finely diced onions with 4 pieces of tomato cut into quarters and 6 to 7 green chilies. Now here I've got 8 pieces of chicken leg which I've washed, cleaned and scored with a knife. And I've got 3 tablespoons of cooking oil that I've added into the tandoori masala powder, which I'm going to use to make a paste, and then add it onto the chicken and let it marinate for half an hour. And that's what it looks like. Now in a large non-stick pan, I've put 4 tablespoons of cooking oil and let it heat up. And then I'm going to be adding the chicken pieces that I've already marinated slowly inside down onto the pan. Make sure to fry the chicken on both sides evenly on a very high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Guys, as you can see, all my chicken have been fried. So guys, in the deep pan, I'm going to heat up the remainder of the oil. Heat the oil on a low to medium flame, and once it heats up, I'm going to add all the garam masala spices into the oil. Once the spices start turning brown, I'm going to add in the chopped onions. And once you've mixed in the onions with the garam masala spices, put it on a medium flame and then put a lid on it. Once the onions start turning translucent and brown, you can add in the onion paste that we've made earlier. And you can also add in the garlic ginger paste. And then you can start giving a mix. And after 5 minutes, you can start adding in your chopped tomatoes and green chilies. And then you can start adding in all your spices. Then make sure to start mixing it in nicely. Once you've done that, put 1.5 cups of hot water to the mix, stir it well and put it on a medium heat and the lid on. After 15 minutes, slowly start to put in the pieces of chicken into the curry. And then add another 1.5 cups of water inside. Once you've put the water in, just put the lid back on, leave it for 15 minutes on a medium heat, and then it's done. Here you go guys, chicken tandoori curry with a bit of coriander dressing.